Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about how to convert character array into character using C#.NET. So here this is the code that I already written to save some times. Now here you can see the two important namespace are there. So the first namespace is the system. So if I give a comment on the system, here you can see char console, or here you can see the error it's come there because the char class and console class the definition that written inside system namespace. So if you remove, then here you can see the error that gone. Now here you can see I comment on system.text namespace. Now here you can see a string builder class. So here getting the error message. The error message, the reason is a string builder class definition that comes under system.text namespace. The two namespace that essential. Now when you debug the code or run the code, control comes to main method. Hereafter that go inside. So at this place there I have taken char array type variable arr, and here new char, and this value that I store. So 0 index C, 1V, 2J and 3F. Now hereafter created a string builder class, and here st is the object of a string builder. So st object created with the help of new string builder constructor. Now hereafter for loop, I value that start from 0 I arr length. So total character that count 4. So here length that come 4. So 0 less than 4 condition is true. So st append arr 0 position that append C. Next I is now 1 less than 4 condition is true. So st that append arr 1 position value V. Now I increase, I is 3 now, I is 2 now, 2 less than 4, condition is true. Next time that append arr 2 position J. Hereafter I is 3, 3 less than 4, condition is true. So next time that append arr 3 position V F. Now hereafter I is 4 now, 4 less than 4, condition is not true. That comes to this point. So here you can see append method is used to combine. So first time that append or C, V, J, F. Now here 0 index, so C, V, and hereafter char tab variable I have taken ch. Now st of 0 position that C is there. So character that store only one element or only one values. Now here you can see st. So st, if you take the cursor on st, so st is the local variable and the object of a string builder class. So we need to do the here typecasting to convert this variable or object into character format. So we need to use char typecasting. Now hereafter st is 0 position C is there, so C is now converted into char and stored into ch. Now here you can see console.writeLine, ch value is now C or that display, and hereafter ch.getType, so it get what kind of data type ch there. So ch is the character, so it will display the character. Let's run this code and check the output here. So here you can, at this place you can give any kind of indexing, but character can store only one, so it must be, you should give only one. Now here you can see, scroll down, so see 0 index is displaying. Now here you can see ch value C and getType system.char getType, it's a displaying. Now if I want to display 3 index 0 1 2 3, F is there, Now let's run and check. So here you can see there is no any problem if it's displaying. But if I'm directly trying to convert st into cat, so getting the error message cannot convert system text builder to cat. Okay, so we need to provide at this place index. So here index must be required, and here system must be some value. So here or you can give any kind of values like or let's give 2 3 and not more than 4. Sorry, not more than 3. So if you give more than 4, definitely that come or some exception that will generate. Now here you can get the exception, index order bound exception, because our total here index that come only 3 0 1 2 3, but I have given 4, so 4 there is no any element, so that it's displaying the exception. So this is the way we can convert character array into character using C#.NET. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.